Welcome to BBQ's Basic HR. BBQ's Basic HR is a comprehensive application where you can keep a track of the employees, manage their attendance, manage their payments, manage their advances, if any. At a single click, you can view the employee details, their attendance in the dashboard. Let's move into Basic HR one by one in detail. So in the employees section, you can look into the employees that has been added. If you want to add an employee or staff, you can select add employee. Here, if you have already using BBQ special product, then there will be various users that will already be being there. If you want to add some more user or the staffs that are not there in your user list, you can go to select as in select user, enter a name, let's say staff 1, provide their email ID, mobile number, enter their age, enter the role. What is the payment cycle? Payment cycle can be daily basis or either monthly basis. Let's say we have added as a daily basis, and amount, let's say 200. The required documents, if you have kept any documents from your side, then you can select the documents that is already been kept, or if you need to add some more documents that is required, you can do that using the configuration, HR configuration. Once employee is added, you can look over here, the staff 1 is being added over here, and clicking on the view, you can see the due amount and number of days the employee is being working. Now if we go to the attendance sheet, here we'll get all the employees list and we can mark them as present or absent for the date, or if you want to view the present or absent list for any other date, you can go to calendar, select any of the date, and you can get the record for that. If you want to mark everyone as a leave, or if it is a leave from the student side, so you can select mark all as leave. To provide the payments to the staff or the employees, you can go to payment section where you can filter the staff as per daily workers or monthly workers. This is being done from the employees part. While adding employees, you can just classify them as daily workers or monthly workers. If I select daily workers, I see that there's one payment that is already been done and the second payment that is the due. So if you want to make the payment for the daily workers, select pay now. Here you can do the final payment. If any bonus, if you want to add, we can add on the bonus and you can confirm the payment. Once payment is confirmed, due amount becomes 0, and in payment transaction part, you can view all the transactions that is already been done for the staff. Either we can, if you want to download it in Excel or CSV format, we can download it, where this will provide you Excel format of this table. If you want to pay any advance, you can go to advance section. We'll get the employee list. Suppose I want to pay advance to cashier 1. I can select the employee name. I can add the amount, purpose, but this is optional, and submit it. Once advance is added, you can see a record is created for the employee or the staff that the advance is being added, 1000 advance is being added. So in the payment section, if I go to that worker or the staff, you will see over here that from the base amount, one advance is paid, already paid, and due amount is being shown over here. So if you want to pay the rest of the amount, then you can select the pay now and confirm payment in order to complete the payment part. If you go to the dashboard area, here you can see the total number of employees that we are having. We are having 3 number of employees. That is same as the details it is showing in the employee details. Total present, as all were present today, so and all has been marked as present today. So here the total present will be shown as 3, no absence, so 0. So BBQ